Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to an app that will bring the stories you read to life. By following your voice, it will play along with music, bringing the story to life. This app is called Novel Effect. Once you open the app, you are greeted by hundreds or even thousands of books. Just type the name of the book. Today we're going to be testing it on the book Not a Box. Let it load, click the print button, and then you should be ready to go. Let's begin. Not a Box by Antoinette Portis. Not a box. Why are you sitting in a box? It's not a box. What are you doing on top of that box? It's not a box. Why are you squirting a box? I said it's not a box. Now you're wearing a box? Huh? This is not a box.
Activate laser.
By using this app in your class, it can make reading much more entertaining. Thank you.